In this mini lesson, I'm going to show you how to draw a 3D looking slice of pie, just in time for Thanksgiving. So we're going to be working on this today. So first things first, when we're thinking about our pie, we want to think about it in terms of the solid shape that it is, or three-dimensional form, we would call it in art. But in math, you guys call these solid shapes. So this is a slice of pie is really a triangular prism. So we have a triangle on top, triangle on the bottom, our two straight sides, and a slice of pie, if this, it would be a little more rounded if it were like this. But I just wanted you to kind of see it from multiple angles. So the first thing that we want to do when we're doing our pie, start in the middle of the page here, and we want to do a horizontal line. Then we want to do a line that curves up like this, and then a diagonal short line. But we're not going to connect these two because this is where we're going to be putting some whipped cream, so we need to have a little space so the whipped cream can appear to overlap that side. So to make your whipped cream, you're going to do a wiggly line and then another wiggly line where they come up and connect. So it's almost like it's a wiggly triangle. And then you can do some lines like this to sort of create a swirly texture. Then you're going to do a down line, a down diagonal line. Okay, so it's like a slide line, like when you make an X or a Y. And then you're going to connect the two. Then we're going to start our crust. Tiny down line, horizontal across line, another diagonal line, and then you're going to go horizontal small and curve. Curve, 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 and curve. So now we have our crust texture. Now, to draw the pie plate, we are going to be drawing an oval. Now, even though a plate is a circle, in art, when we're looking at something straight on and it appears to look different, that's called foreshortening. Foreshortening is when something almost kind of gets squished or shortened. So a circle, when it's foreshortened, appears to be an oval. So we're going to start at the side of the pie, go down, make our oval, and then connect back up, okay? And we're not seeing the entire oval because the pie is overlapping that part. Then I'm going to do another partial oval, and by only doing it partially, it's going to make the plate appear kind of swooped, okay? Then I want to draw a horizontal line for my tabletop. So I'm going to start at this side, stop here, and pick up back on this side. So now it's going to look like it's on a table. Now, if you'd like to add anything else here to make it special, maybe you want to add like a little place card with someone's name. Okay, maybe someone special that you love, right? Like grandma. We call grandma Granny in my family. Maybe you want to write something like Happy Thanksgiving or I love you or anything like that. You can go ahead and do that. Another thing that might be nice is when you're making this to think about maybe making it for someone special in your family. Maybe you can give it to them on Thanksgiving, or maybe if you're not celebrating Thanksgiving the way you normally would, like my family, maybe this would be a nice thing for you to make for someone special and give it to them or mail it to them, and it might be just a little extra way to show how special they are to you. Once you are done with this, please make sure you listen to directions in the beginning of the lesson on whether I'd like you to color this today or save it and color it next time. But just double check because depending on what day you have this class, it might be different. Enjoy!